Hey guys, guess what I just did? Still gotta finish installing it, but look. You know what that is? There's a couple of things that it was kind of hard to find, but let me switch it around here. Here's a little thing that I did, trying to run that cable to the firewall for the switch down to there. I ended up putting too much pressure on this guy right here, and I broke it off. And a quick fix is this guy right here. It works for now. If that breaks off, you have no brakes. See it? I got to replace that little plastic manifold for my brakes, but yeah, I still got to do the EGR delete, but still got to take it all off. But here's one thing that I wasn't told when I bought my package, or my exhaust, is that, I don't know if you'll be able to tell it, but you have straight pop, clamp. It goes up here to the header. Well, this pop here, I had to cut it 2.5 inches from here to here because it's too long. I had bought a muffler for it, and yeah, the muffler didn't work out very well, but I still had to cut this pop right here 2.5 inches so it would actually fit up in here. People don't tell you that in the videos, so I wanted to tell you guys that, to be prepared for that. So